Hey, good morning, everybody. We just woke up. What's up, Mom?
Don't get mad at me.
What you mean? That's how God made you right there. No makeup. This girl right here is a crybaby, y'all. But to be honest, she made her cry.
We was out of the house by 9 yesterday.
Wakey, wakey.
Wakey, wakey. Big time.
Bro, why is your socks always on the freaking floor? Why just socks on the freaking floor? Huh? Huh? Don't you hear me talking to you? Good morning, Anisha. Can I put this on YouTube?
No.
Well, too bad. I don't care. Alright, so what's going on, you guys? We're going on a helicopter ride today, and I'm so excited. Oh, man, come on, baby. A helicopter ride? I never thought I would be on a helicopter in my life, but I'm going to be on a helicopter in my life. Oh, yeah. Today is my mom and my sister's last day, but we're going to extend our stay to Tuesday, but they want to stay so bad, but they have things they have to do back in Georgia, so they have to leave today. So it took you 30 minutes to get ready and you still look like that. Ow! But show them your nails, bro. Like, dang, that's a weapon, bro. You almost killed me. Hey, this here.
What?
Never mind. Hey, this here. These nuts. That's one, bro. Hey, Mom. What your shirt say? I can't read.
Super mom.
Hey. Alright, Mom. Let me see. Don't break it now.
Don't worry, I'm doing it a favor. I'm pooping.
Hey, y'all, so she just got finished pooping.
No, I didn't.
So you don't poop?
I do.
So, alright, you just got finished pooping.
I didn't.
Okay, why the, okay. Look, you walking like it. Ma, she always flicking she flicked the finger at least like 15 times a day.
No, I don't. Stop lying on me. And stop getting me on that camera looking like this.
True, I'ma stop. Jump, 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 jumpy, jumpy, jumpy.
I might switch out my porch for
Hey.
Eczema.
Just like her brother.
because the Lamborghini is kind of like, it's really loud, but it's loud for no reason. But the it come on.
Josh, shut up, bro. You're not even on the phone. So lame.
Hold on, hold on.
Let me see your screen. Let me see your screen.
Man, don't
Let me
touch
see your
me.
screen.
Don't touch me, bro. Good.
Is that good?
Oh yeah, hold on.
Amy!
Yo, I'm finna work. I told you.
Huh?
I told you. The Porsche.
You what?
The Porsche that I have, I'm changing it in for the Lamborghini.
Let me talk to him.
Hey, alright, chill, bro. Chill. Hey,
Bruh.
if you drop that, you buy a new one.
I'm not buying nothing, I swear.
But chill out.
Bruh.
Stop.
You do not hit me, bruh.
Stop, Des.
Do not hit me.
Des, chill.
What?
Stop.
Who's the best person in the world?
MightyDuck.
You're so cringy.
Stop,
Is
Des.
it cringy?
Des. Pinche curo hijo de puta.
Hey, open this door.
Open door now. Come on. Red.
What Uncle Joshua do, Channing?
Oh. I did that. Okay. Open door. The head. No. Knocking. No, knocking door.
Why are we always waiting on you?
Duck, shut up.
Like, geez.
I'm just trying to go over it so my hair ain't looking at
It's looking already good.
Look at it.
Tell Auntie to hurry up. Hey, Channing.
What?
Get up.
What?
Get up.
What?
These nuts.
No carrot. A, B, C,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, Emmy, night night. Look who the last one on the elevator.
Can you show?
Bro, why are we always waiting on you? Golly, should have did that back at the house.
I was trying.
Alright, y'all, so we're just trying to have a camera fight.
Oh, what? What? Don't let me zoom in on you.
So she finally gave in. She getting on the helicopter. What made you want to do
I'm
it?
so scared. Look, I hope this shirt is real because it's something I probably never, ever, ever have a chance to do again and don't want to.
Exactly. Oh, look at Big Brother. You need help? You got it? Look at her, just sleep peacefully. Channing. I love you. No? Okay, that's cool.
Cinco de Mayo, let's get wasted.
Hey man, I forgot it's Cinco de Mayo. I forgot, so happy Cinco de Mayo. Babe, smile. Just smile. This generation sucks.
My hair's not up to par.
It never is.
Okay.
What's up, it's your boy Skunky here, back in the vlog. We are at the helicopter place, which means we're gonna go fly helicopter. Not fly it, but ride in it. I'm with my big brother. What's up? Oh my god. Guys, look, it's MightyDuck. It's ooh, I don't twerk, I do my homework, girl. Ooh, she's stealing. She's stealing.
Guess what?
She's nuts. Guys, look, it's Armani Monte. She's too grown. Guys, look, it's the two best duos, Skunky and MightyDuck. He's the ooh, he's stealing guy. Hey, you're the ooh, who's stealing guy?
I'm not using this footage. Alright, so we just pulled up at the spot with the gang.
Gang.
Wow, Armani, you excited? You excited, Ma? Ernesta, you excited? Yes. Yeah.
Yep, we're
Good
excited.
job.
You know who's most excited?
Channing, you ready? Where we going? Huh? Yeah. Alright, y'all. See y'all on the other side. Alright, y'all. So I'm scared right now. I can't even lie. And I gotta poop so bad. Oh man, I gotta poop, man. I hope I don't poop in the helicopter. So we're gonna go first on the helicopter, and they are gonna go after us. But if I poop on the helicopter, they might not get a chance to go. So. You want Daddy to poop on the helicopter?
No.
That's fine. It's right where it needs to be. If there was any reason, then like I said, I've been doing this 15 years total, but around here. All right, bud, I'm gonna kind of cinch this one up a little bit on you, okay? Stay right there. Look at that. All right.
Thank you.
Well,
Very good.
Say thank you.
High five.
High five.
Right on, buddy.
Y'all ready? Please don't poop, cause I'm getting in the same seat that you're gonna sit in, and don't pass gas up there either,
I try
cause you
not
might.
She been passing gas the whole time in the
Don't
car.
play with me. You excited, baby?
Man, I'm scared, bro.
You excited, baby?
Armani looks so nervous, bro. Just.
He's like, what did I do? What did I do? I could have been inside.
What made you change your mind?
I don't know. Everybody else.
What you?
YOLO. Yeah, I'm like, we on a family vacation. Might as well do it. Come here. It's a bucket list.
For real, it is a bucket list.
I can say I
though.
rolled over.
Destin Beach.
Helicopter.
Over Destin Beach.
You know?
Oh man. Oh shoot. Uh oh, you ready, Channing? go. Let's go, Emmy. Whoa. Oh, man.
Alright, Steve. I'm gonna get these two guys in first. Get right here with me because I'll help you with her. Okay?
Us first? Okay.
There you go.
Hey, Channing, you ready?
Okay, watch your step, darling. Very good. Very good, very good. And this will go between you two because you don't want to squish her. I know it's easy. I know. It's not going to hurt her ears. It's not loud enough. The microphone's nice and close.
Babe, can you hear us?
All right, you ready to go see the beach?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Channing, thumbs up, buddy. Bro, it's the best, bro. It's the best. I swear. It's so fun. Man. Hands down, the best thing I ever did in my life. One of the best things, bro. What? How you like that?
It was amazing.
Channing, you have fun? Yeah.
I had fun too. We should have done
Nah, I'd rather be in the helicopter than watch cartoons. Really? Hey, how you like it?
That was amazing. I'm so happy that I decided to go.
Aren't you glad we forced y'all to do it?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Yeah.
Did y'all see the dolphins?
I didn't.
We
They
did.
You did? Oh, I'm on the wrong side.
All right, y'all, we about to go to the beach and look who the last one on the elevator.
Like always.
Mamma mia.
Always last.
Mamma mia, mamma
All right, can you be any slower? Can you be any slower? Oh man, this is so sad. I want y'all to stay a little bit longer, but this one gotta go. Really? Armani, it's okay. You can take that test next week.
This is my final exam. It's on tomorrow.
All right. Well, good luck for the test.
Thanks.
This is for good luck.
You acting like we're leaving right now.
Mom, you know what? I still hope you do good, but ooh, I know. I don't even smell Josh.
That's your breath, right?
Oh my God, Josh.
Oh my God, Armani, you stink.
You hate me. Go to
Oh man, it's the last time we're gonna go to the beach before they leave. It's been a fun trip though.
Wow.
It's been look at that sexy girl right there. Ah, ooh, ooh, ooh.
I'm saying
Shannon, Shannon.
wave to the camera.
Guess what? Guess what? Ew. What's your favorite part of the trip before you leave? Man, with the family.
Family, oh, it's my favorite thing.
Yeah, so far that was my
Glad
favorite
I
thing.
did it, yeah.
I told you.
That's your favorite thing?
You got over your fear and everything. Now you want to do it again.
I was still scared of
So
it.
would you do it again?
No.
Alright, Joshua, what was your favorite part of the trip?
You know what my favorite part of this trip was?
What?
These nuts.
Hey man, y'all been following me?
Yes.
What is going on?
Dude,
What's going on?
nothing much. She saw me in the elevator, right? And she was like, I just saw Duck in the elevator. I was like, you're lying.
What?
And we just ran all the way from the pool.
You guys.
Alright, let's get a picture. Let's go.
Please.
So babe, what's your favorite part of the trip besides being with the family?
Making memories.
That's it? Like what was your favorite part?
My favorite part, I think, was when we were having fun with Joshua running down in the speedo. That was so funny.
Hey, what's up, Bernicia?
What happened?
Ugh. So what was your favorite part of the trip?
I think it was coming here.
You think or you know?
No, it was.
You think or you know?
It was when we were here at the beach and we were running around with Josh.
Swim trunks and he was running around with his Speedos?
Yes.
Hey, Armani, what was your favorite thing about the trip? What was your favorite part about the trip?
My niece wanted to be with him. What should be my favorite part?
Besides that, favorite moment?
Be on the helicopter.
Yeah.
Helicopter ride. That was like a new experience that I had never experienced before. So, it was fun.
So would you do it again?
Yeah.
Mom said she wouldn't do it again.
I want to come back for a vacation so I can go there with my family.
They're leaving. About to get on this road. Bye bye.
What?
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Love you.
Bye, man. Bye, Mom.
Hey, Dustin.
That's what I love you.
Love you more.
I've had such a great time. Love y'all when you get back.
They love you. Mommy. Benicia. Armani. Alright, so my favorite part about the trip is just, being with the family. It's always good. Always good being with the family. Another thing is probably the helicopter ride was one of my favorites. Pranking my mom. So you guys gotta go check that out. I really love all